So let's say here we add something in the menu. Here, I'm gonna add this in the header, and now here we have this header design. I can actually change the color. Let's say we have this, but also here I'm gonna add some text, and I'll move this text here, right? Now if I right click on if I click on this header, and here is showing show on all pages, this is enabled, but if I click on this and drag outside of it, I'll be able to actually enable show on all pages this text. And if I click on blog, I am gonna have the text here as well. So this is very helpful if you want to add a text. This option here, show, you also have you can also right click, you can enable this toolbar here to have this toolbar, but you can also, if you want to enable the toolbar, you can also just right click on the text, on the element, and enable show on all pages. Now, if you have the text inside another element in a section, it's not going to work because this one is already showing on all pages. So it's going to impact, it's going to influence, the text is going to act accordance to this section, so to this header. So if this header is showing on all pages, the text is going to show on all pages. This horizontal menu is going to act accordingly. So it's actually affecting what are the elements inside the header. Now, what if I add the strip, right? And I add the strip here. And now this strip, you can enable show on all pages. And now if I drag this here, if I drag this here inside this strip, now excuse me 1 second. So I have this strip and this slider, right? And also we can check here in layers, see how this slider is here, and then we have this section, and then inside this section we have this slider and the home. So can position this above. We have this strip here. Now if you right click, as you can see it's grayed out, you can actually turn it off because this text is inside this strip, right? So now what if is this slider the same, because the strip it has enabled this show on all pages. This is going to influence this slider as well, and also this slider is going to have the same option, show on all pages. And you can't turn this off, only if you turn off from the first one, the strip that has the text included in this slider. Okay, so I hope you found this short video helpful. I saved you some time. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and take care.